Hi, this is another video on the topic of using AI technology to write court statements within child arrangement court hearings. So here's some thoughts. I've read some things on this, quite deep things with regards to AI. There's an article linked to below that you can download and read from somebody in America who's done an awful lot of research, and his findings were that actually AI's good at grabbing language that it thinks is appropriate, saying it back to you like it makes sense, but as it's not human, it won't understand, okay? As it's not been to a court hearing, it won't understand. And if it's read some data like reading a court statement, it might know some of the language that lawyers might use or the strategies, but it's not going to be able to talk about your children because it's not human. Now obviously there's a wide spectrum of parents out there with different personalities, backgrounds, childhood upbringings. It's a very complicated thing. Now the risk that you take when using AI technology to write your statement or go over it is that it will be obvious language-wise to a court that you've used AI technology, because it's grabbing the same types of language and regurgitating it back to you without any understanding of what it means, and that will become quite clear and apparent. Okay. Now the cases that I've helped people in over the years, the more success is gained by being very genuine, very thoughtful about how you parent, very thoughtful about how you interact with your ex-partner, and very thoughtful about how you meet your children's needs, and to create a clear, warm picture about yourself and your background, your upbringing, your values as a parent. And those things are not things that AI will understand, primarily because it's not necessarily on the internet, it's real life experience, okay? And so there is very much a risk that if you feel underconfident about how to express yourself, that asking AI technology to do it is not going to be taken as you think it is. It's going to be seen for what it is, because the language is quite obvious, and there will be aspects of things that don't join up. So I've literally had people email me statements that they've written with AI, and the email doesn't even make sense, and they haven't even scan read it to double check. So this is one of the challenges that I think you have, and obviously when you then go to court, if you start to speak in a very different way to the statement, then they're going to realize it's clearly AI generated, and that's going to further demean your case because it wasn't genuine what you submitted. So when I help people as litigants in person with the paperwork, they're always emailing me their draft so that it has their inherent communication style, and I'll write back with feedback and tips on how to improve it, but for them to do so as a litigant in person themselves. So I'm not conducting litigation for them, but I'm helping them channel more inner resources, how to speak better about themselves, their parenting, that kind of thing. So I hope that helps you understand why I would say be very careful about AI technology. Obviously there's the interesting article where the person who wrote this article has actually showed the inquiries they made with ChatGPT and what they managed to get out of ChatGPT, and ChatGPT admitted that actually it's just coming back and trying to sound authoritative like it knows what it's talking about, but it's just grabbing a whole set of words that it thinks are appropriate in order to try and convince you that it is. And so I think it's a very interesting kind of article to comprehend as a human father or mother if you're looking to achieve positive human family outcomes in court. So I hope that helps you. There'll be more on this to come, I'm sure. Keep shining bright, and I'd love to help you achieve positive outcomes in family court. So please get in touch and let me know if I can help you. Take care. Bye.